Hello guys. Record na naman ako kanta para sa inyo. Salamat po sa mga nanonood ng mga record ko. Lahat acoustic, sana huwag kayong magsawa. The title of my song, Handyman by James Taylor. Here we go. Hey girls, gather around, listen to what I'm putting down. Hey baby, I'm your handyman. I'm not the kind to use up in several. I'm not a handy with love, I'm not fool. Fix broken hearts and know that I truly can. If your broken heart should need repair, that I'm the man to see. As whispers with things to tell all your friends, they come running to me. There is a main thing that I want to say. I'm busy 24 hours a day. I fix broken hearts and know that I truly can. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. They come running to me. There is a main thing that I want to say. I'm busy 24 hours a day. Fix broken hearts, I'm your handyman. Come. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Touch me. Come. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm your handyman. Thank you so much.
I'm so in love with you.